Cntsun Wuhan Technology Co., Limited is one of the world's leading manufacturers and solution providers of photovoltaic mounting system. Founded in 2017 and headquartered in Wuhan, China, is a national high-tech enterprise integrating technology R&D, scientific design, intelligent manufacturing and global sales. The production plant is located in Xinzhou, Wuhan City, with a processing base of 60,000 square meters and an annual production capacity of more than 10 gigawatts, which is the largest new energy smart manufacturing base in Central China. The company boasts a top team with more than 10 years of experience in the industry, in line with the business policy of integrity management and win-win cooperation. Cntsun has established close cooperation relationship with the 5 major power central enterprises and 6 small power enterprises, with the brand core of Shine with Sun, Go After Dreams. All employees of Cntsun are more than willing to cooperate with partners in the new energy photovoltaic industry to draw a common blueprint